TechInFive.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Dive deep into the power of Python for transforming voice into action. Ready to explore? Today, we're expanding our capabilities beyond recording and playback. We're stepping into the realm of audio transformation, AI interaction, and bringing text to life. Join us as we unlock these powerful features, all within the Python environment. In our previous video, we introduced the OpenAI service class to integrate OpenAI's APIs into our Python projects. Today, we're expanding this class with 2 essential functions, one for converting audio to text using Whisper, and another to turn text back into speech. Let's dive into how we can extend the functionality of our OpenAI service class. First, we're diving into the create transcription method and the OpenAI API parameters it utilizes. The method begins by opening the specified audio file in binary read mode RB. This ensures that the audio data is read exactly as it is. The audio file is then sent to the Whisper API using the transcriptions function of OpenAI API client. This function call includes 2 essential parameters, model and file. We specify Whisper1 to use OpenAI's Whisper v2 model, and also the binary content of the audio file. The file supports a wide range of formats, including MP3, WAV, and other common audio file types. We choose MP3 for its smaller file size, making it ideal for network traffic. Another useful parameter is prompt, which is a text parameter that can influence the model's output. This parameter is useful for guiding the style or continuing from previous audio content. To demonstrate the practical application of this function, we'll be testing it with audio recordings of tongue twisters.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
This showcases the model's precision and adaptability to complex speech patterns. Next, we turn our focus to transforming text into speech. Let's dive into the create speech file method, a key component in our toolkit that brings written words to audible life. This method leverages OpenAI's text-to-speech capabilities to convert text into a speech file saved at speech file path. We specifies the TTS model to use TTS1 for general text-to-speech. Another option is TTS1 HD for high-definition audio. Voice parameter determines the voice persona that narrates your text. Choices like alloy, echo, and several others provide a range of tones and styles, allowing you to match the voice with the context of your application. Input is the text you wish to convert into speech, with a limit of 4,096 characters. Response format is by default set to MP3. The API supports various formats to suit different application needs. To showcase the practical application of this method, we'll test it with a challenging tongue twister.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
In our previous video, we developed an audio service capable of capturing audio directly from your microphone. Now we're going to integrate our audio service with text-to-speech technology, enabling us to create transcriptions from the audio we capture. However, the audio we've been capturing is in WAV format, pristine in quality, but bulky for network transmission. So, our next move is to convert these WAV files into MP3, making it ideal for our network transit needs. Let's explore the Convert WAV to MP3 function and understand the tools needed for this transformation. The heart of our conversion function relies on PyDub, a flexible audio processing library in Python. If you haven't installed PyDub yet, you can add it to your project. Now, we begin the process by loading the WAV file into our script using audio segments from WAV method. This step reads the WAV file from the specified path and creates an audio segment object. We then call the export method, specify the destination for our converted file, and set the format to MP3. As we wrap up today's video, we've successfully expanded our audio service capabilities and taken a deep dive into Whisper's world for audio transcription. Thank you for joining me in this leg of our Python and AI adventure. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore the possibilities of bringing audio to life with code.
Stay tuned for more videos on TechInFive.